Welcome to Network Boats, and today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 5 biggest center console boats in the world. Let's begin. Number 5. Invincible 46 Catamaran. The Invincible 46 Power Cat is the first catamaran on our list, and she stands out for her game-changing hybrid semi-asymmetrical sponson hull design, as well as sportfish-level fishability and specifications. This is a tournament fishing boat at its core, with a long range and the capacity to manage all types of weather and sea situations with ease. She apparently reaches close to 80 miles per hour, with Quad Mercury Racing 450R outboards. Her efficient cruising speed is roughly 48 to 50 miles per hour, so if you need to travel great distances quickly, for example to fish wicks far out in the Gulf, this boat is built for you. Number 4. Midnight Express 60 Pied-A-Mer. Midnight Express has developed what could be considered a house on the ocean with the Pied-A-Mer, which is 60 feet long. Although the name Residence may seem bold for a center console day boat, it is qualified and backed up by her capability, features, and amenities. She has reached high speeds of over 70 miles per hour thanks to Quad 7 Marine 627 horsepower outboard motors. But there's more to impress passengers on board this colossus than just speed. She includes twin bedrooms below decks, each with a queen berth and a full head with enclosed shower, as well as a galley. This boat's center console alone is 30 feet long. Consider the fact that it's larger than many other respectable center console fishing boats. With luxurious sofa-sized chairs and enormous loungers, the majority of the capacious cockpit is dedicated to lounging. 17 persons can easily be accommodated and enjoy the voyage topside in comfort. This monster, crammed with flash and glam, starts at roughly $1.6 million and goes up from there depending on add-ons and options. Number 3. HCB 65 Estrella. This is the largest center console boat on the market today, and it's the current heavyweight champion of the world in terms of center consoles. There's no more to say. This massive center console has an army of horses on her transom and is built to give peak performances from those huge power units. It has a smooth, quiet ride and agile handling. This is the boat for you if you want a magnificent fishing machine with 360-degree access to the water that a center console cockpit layout provides, yet with all the comforts of a world-class yacht. In terms of size, features, and capability, just a few center console fishing boats on the market compare to her. Granted, she's a little too big for many anglers to use on a daily basis, but her offshore skills are unrivaled. When you get on board this boat and start accelerating the throttles, you'll understand why serious tournament fishing teams trust her in deep waters far from the shore. Some would call what HCB has created in the Estrella 65 as a masterpiece. Others may refer to her as a monster. She's a show-stopping, eye-popping boat from any angle, even if she's a little flashy at the dock for some owners. With infrastructure capable of supporting up to 3,135 horsepower, the boat's performance expectations are difficult to match. To obtain the aforementioned astounding 3,135 combined total horsepower, the boat has been equipped with a few mind-boggling power packages, including 5.7 Marine 627 horsepower outboard engines. Depending on your cargo and the state of the sea, the top speed is expected to be between 65 and 70 miles per hour. It's also quite a feat to get a 65-foot planing hole center console to take off swiftly. In fact, the 65 Estrella is said to be able to get from standstill to rocket ship in under 8 to 9 seconds. She's not meant for the budget-conscious angler, with prices starting at approximately $3 million and rising depending on extras. For those who prefer to keep a low profile at the docks, this is not the place to be. However, if you want to grin at rough inlets, traverse the Gulf Stream like you're jaunting across your garden, and cruise across to the Bahamas in style and comfort, this is your boat. Number 2. Nortech 560 Sport. The 560 Sport is 56 feet long, with a 12-foot beam and weighs roughly 30,000 pounds dry, with the hull made of hand-laid fiberglass sandwich and carbon Kevlar. Her two massive 11-foot-long comfortable aft loungers at the back of the cockpit which allow family and friends to stretch out and enjoy the trip, set her apart from others on this list. The yacht offers plenty of lounging areas and nice social settings, as well as plenty of storage, a superior music system, and multiple fish boxes. From paint to thread stitching and Italian hardware, the Nortech 560 Sports Center console is completely customizable. And number 1, Cigarette Tarana. Cigarettes are a performance boat icon. They certainly understand how to build fast boats, and it has a propensity for doing so with such flair and style that it has effectively defined the type. Tarana is the company's ultimate ascendancy over the ordinary, boring, and uninspired. This is a 60-footer that travels at 80 miles per hour. When you're on this boat, the word unreal comes to mind. It's as fast as a bullet, with comfortable seats and a powerful music system to boot. Some may argue that it's a little too much, too flashy, prone to maintenance troubles, a gas-guzzling behemoth that redefines the word stinkpot. Well, perhaps. At the very least, you have to admire the engineering miracle that is this vessel. And this completes our list of the top 5 biggest center console boats in the world. Which one do you think is number 1? Let us know in the comments section below. For more, subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other popular videos.